Good morning, people. Look at him. We're already getting late for breakfast and he's still, styling.
Not even brushed his teeth.
No, yeah, I'll brush it once I'm done. I got up at 5:30. Why will I not have brushed?
So,
Nonsense. I finished my morning walk also. So this is the spread for today. Amazing. We didn't have enough space on the table, so they're moving us to another table. Getting this. So this is a buffet here. We have bread counter. This is tea counter. This and this is another healthy counter. This is non-veg, sausage, boiled egg, and this is your live counter. Dosa is happening and pongal, idli, vada, chutneys, different types. We have this chutney puri also. Cornflakes, tea, strawberry, yogurt. And this is buttermilk. You can make it. This is the fruits counter. And this is the juice counter. So many types. Enemy. Get a guard. Blunder happened. Blunder. Forgot my name. This thing. Shit. I don't know. Finally got it. Forgot. Gotta go have breakfast now. 10:45. Blunder. Never should do urgency. Food is anyway spread on the table. Have to go just belt. Good pace I have anyways. The plan for today is probably hit White Town, then have lunch and get back to the property and enjoy the property. Now that's the property again. A lot of jellyfish also here, and this is a sudden drop. This is the speciality of Bay of Bengal. It's always down like this, and you can see a crab here. See crabby running. Mani, you want some crabs? Just listen to the sound, guys. Just listen to the sound. Simba in an umbrella, I'm in an umbrella.
hello guys, the new vlog is out from Pondicherry going Chekmani.
So guys, hello in the umbrella. It's too hot, so just I have not applied sunscreen. Plus I have some allergy towards the sun, no. So just got the umbrella. Heading back to the room now. Got to change and head out. Heading out probably to White Town. That's about it today. And come back chill at the resort. I want to swim today. Route to the resort. Morning. Very nice. That's the room now.
Yep.
Time to go to White Town now. White Town only, no, dude?
Yep.
Okay. Go get ready. Okay, Simba, where are we going? Look nice. I like your clothing. Good.
So I think today we'll do White Town, and post that let's take a walk and then try to find that Cafe Ecstasy. I think that's close by.
Yeah, it's close by 550 meters.
Yeah, then let's take a walk till there and then
Have
have some
the
pizzas and then let's come back.
yes, done. So the weather looks like cloudy. Thank God. I think we made a right decision to get out at this time. Wow, nice. Hello guys, going to White Town and I'm dressed up in off-white. That's what was suggested. Let's see how it's gonna be there. This guy is here, Mr. Simba, all set. Forgotten his shades and he came. So this is the Sai Baba which we saw yesterday. I couldn't capture it. Thought of showing it to you guys. This is the East Coast Road, your famous ECR it's called. Very dangerous, but after the cities it's very scenic, beautiful. But I wish I can show you a little bit of that, but hope I get the time to show it. I thought we'd go over the ECR, go to Mahabalipuram, but Mahabalipuram itself is around 118. Going plan. I have put the location to Cafe Ecstasy, and around there we'll go stop, have lunch, then go to the White Town for photographs. Simba was suggesting.
You need to park it at a place and then walk.
Aren't there any autos?
Again, they'll I don't know.
So what you can, if the autos are there, we can tell them show us around. We'll give you this much.
No, actually near the beach, nothing is allowed. No vehicles are allowed.
Beach, I'm not that keen.
That road itself, just the parallel road itself is White Town.
Oh, okay.
So, and there's ample amount of parking space available.
Okay.
I think we should be able to easily locate.
So, let's see. Let's go there and figure out.
Yeah.
As always.
Which we have always done.
Yeah. It's always nothing new for us, these travel things. It's just that we have a plan put up. One thing is put up. We'll see accordingly what can be done.
Yep.
Nothing much to see here, apart from French War Memorial. Who wants to see French War? And he was there, occupied our Indian city. This French people. Just a joke. So this is what I was telling Simba. You should see the end, no? That is the Paradise Beach there. I better see ahead. I'll be in the water swimming.
And then we'll be in paradise.
Nice. This is the. Oh, क्या हो गया भाई? Look at this orange dhoti. So cool. I want it. Guys, check this out. What is this? Is this an auto? Is this a bus? Is this a car? क्या है भाई ये?
No, dude. I think it's like a wannabe van, but it's a 3-wheeler auto.
Big shit. It's huge, dude. But for a 3-wheeler. Look at that. Hey, one more here. Oh, bro, full. Wow. These are the autos here. This is like a market area, guys. Here. Damn nice place. It looks. You get A to Z everything. You know, come here. Oh, crazy. It's like your MG Road or Chickpet of Bangalore. Brigade Road types.
Cotton bed.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Only thing is, less traffic, less crowd. Peaceful this is. Wow, man, you did everything, dude, here. Wow. I do ball. What is this? Indian cotton house. Oh, this is pura clothes ka bhandar kinds, dude. Papati's garments, it seems. Take from there, bro. Simba. Oh, wow. Look at this height side. Wow. This is Cafe Ecstasy. Apparently, this is the place. Wood fire pizza around.
Firewood.
Whatever. Wood fire. Oh, thank God AC. One of our childhood memories that we saw here, Archie's Gallery. And then we are in search for coffee. Not able to find a place for it. So let's go to explore and see. Found this cathedral. Wow, beautiful. Very nice. I think we are in the heart of the city. So is the cathedral. So finally came to this road. This road से आगे left there is for 200 meters there's a cafe. I just called and found out they serve coffee. Where we went, there's no coffee, only mocktails. Without coffee, my cereal doesn't work, so brain doesn't work. And there's some bike rentals happening here. Came to some main road. So this is a place where we have come. It better be serving coffee. So it looks nice. It's a place. Oh wow, this is awesome. So finally, good place, nice place. Just ordered a iced Americano, and for Simma I ordered a iced cappuccino. Take away for him because he's waiting in another cafe where they don't serve coffee, and without coffee I cannot function. So that's the whole idea. He's in the parallel road itself. It's called Cafe Ecstasy. It has some very nice, it's very beautiful. I like the way it is done. The Writer's Cafe. So this is the menu. Have everything. So you're done with the coffee. Quick coffee. They don't have takeaways here. So Simma couldn't get it. I'll go get it now. Back to the cafe. Ecstasy. Well, it's not so ecstasy here. Simma is alone gorging on it. So what is what, dude? What is this?
This is pesto pasta.
What, chicken or veg?
Chicken.
Oh.
And this is
Chicken 65. This is Arifolio.
Veg
Au gratin.
au gratin, and this is
Wow. Super small. So this is the ambience. Very nice. Cute place. And this nicely lit up. Nice place. Must visit. Thanks, dude. Good place. Good suggestion. So this is the French architecture here. Simma said he knows everything, but unfortunately he's like laughing now.
No, I think the Gaurav thinks White Town like Santorini expectations.
Can I go here, bro? I think I can, no?
Yeah. If the front two wheels go, I think.
Hey,
McDonald's.
Joker. So apparently this is White Town. I think we have to get down and walk, bro.
Yeah. You can't walk, no.
I will show you. Oh shit, language. Oh, I'll have to beep it. Hang ಮಾಡೋದು ಟಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ See this is where the background is and all. Okay, bro.
This is a famous Coromandel.
This is one of it. Bro, we'll do one thing. Parkatra will stop and we'll come. Oh, art and culture.
gallery.
You want to stop here? This is the art gallery. Wow. Nice too, this building looks. So this is the famous cafe here. London Cafe. This is the French architecture with these yellow colors. This is white, pura white building. So you can go here, no? This side? This side? You can see these. This is about the creator of this place. This live art museum, selfie museum. Bella, who got another architecture. This is another place. We're just walking around here, chilling. Oh wow, these buildings look crazy. Like see the construction on top here and here. All this kept here. Crazy. So these are another set of it. Simba is posing already. I'll click it. Another small house here, big house, huge villa. Swimming. Another restaurant. This is this color. Another one here. This color. Wow. Looks like most of the buildings, these heritage buildings, have been converted into restaurants, few places to stay, and this is like pub and all that. A lot of pubs here. This one here, one there. Come here, you can chill. Actually, you can come in car. Summa we walked. Look at this Starbucks. Fancy. These old street names here in French itself. That's how we came. This is a beautiful street here. Remember this is the name of the street. This is how we go. My car is parked at the road end there. So from here we'll be going to the resort. This is White Town, Yellow Town, whatever you call it. So this is again Art Museum. My Chief Minister's house here. That's why so much security, but I can't see one security also. This is the architecture. I love this. Beautiful it is. This is modern architecture on the other side. This road I'm saying goes everywhere. To all the so many cafes, pubs in that road. Literally, it's like a hot and happening road. Street, I mean. And all the street names are in French, like I showed you then, no? Even now. And like I said, all the heritage buildings, everything is converted to restaurants and cafes and art museums and all that. So this is the traffic here. Scenes stuck here also. Bangalore does a the entry to the property. We reached the property. Hell loads of shitloads of traffic. Nonsense. 10 minutes to 6. I have to rush to the pool now. Room is this side. So, park the car there. Baby Yudin is there. Go swim now. Being a Monday also it's full. Weird. So this is the poolside. You get poolside bar as well as you get good snacks and drinks, mocktail, cocktail both. So this is by the pool. A huge pool, clean pool, like a proper 5-star maintained. Very nice. Very clean, although so many people use it. And I'm nice. Hello guys. So done with the swimming. This is a beautiful pool, like amazing, and that's the poolside bar, come snack center, snacks corner, everything. and amazing time it was. Sima's gone to change. I just changed. So timing is from 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. So these guys are very sweet, and pool is amazing. Good time we had. Nice it was today, peaceful, and as of now I can't say clear skies. Never know about today. So plan is to go to the room, chill, order some food today from Swiggy probably, because done of eating the same food here. It's the same spread, but how much to eat the same spread? So we'll try something outside today. Let's see how that goes. So I was telling you guys that there is this, if you can see, sitting table kinds, bench kinds. So you can sit and keep your drink or your food there and have. So I love this place. It's brilliant. So yeah. Oh, Sima, done.
Yep.
How was the pool, bro?
Nice swim.
Yeah, felt good.
It's good. Finally. Oh.
Nice, no, it was nice
Feeling
pool.
fresh.
Very clean pool also.
Yep.
Hey, what's happening there? I don't know. Alva, Alena Akti. Chalo, let's go, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go to the room. So what I was telling these people is that we are bored of eating the same spread today,
Yeah.
because can't eat so much. Just that one time thrill. So I thought we'll eat order from Swiggy. You
Yeah.
said Swiggy is available, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll do that. And pool is superb, dude.
Yeah.
Very nice. Look at that. I'm nice. There's no in there. So people, just today night, like I said, swimming was done. So उसके बाद हम लोग just chill कर रहे थे. तो कल के बारे में प्लान कर रहे थे, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. और आज तो इधर नहीं खाए हम लोग, बाहर से ऑर्डर किया. बाहर से हमने वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एग फ्राइड राइस, विच इज द रेस्टोरेंट, हर्बियो. देयर वाज अ रेस्टोरेंट, वहाँ से स्विगी किया. स्विगी से वी ऑर्डर लाइक सिंपल एग फ्राइड राइस, चिकन बिरयानी and curd rice. And starters though we had got these small chips, biscuit and all. We just ate that, and that's about it, guys. So awesome time today. Subah se leke ab tak it was nice. We spent some time at the resort today. Resort is very nice. You need to spend time here. हम लोग गए, कहाँ गए आज? तो व्हाइट टाउन गए. व्हाइट टाउन से पहले कैफे गए. कैफे वाज नाइस, राइटर्स कैफे. एंड देन उसके बाद कैफे एक्सटेसी, ऑसम फूड. सो yeah, my partner in crime, Mr. Simha. Oh, the drive back was madness. It was like absolute madness. Bloody hell. Sorry for the jokes, for the words. 3 people hit my mirror, man. Like 3 people. Like another once it would have happened, people have like, I would have done something to someone. Like, it was that bad. Anyways, so yeah, that's about it. My partner in crime will explain what all happened next. So yeah, so we'll tell you what's the plan for tomorrow. So what are you doing, dude? Sima?
Okay, so just eating some cucumber
Nice.
and some lime, so that we
Super.
can hydrate ourselves.
Yeah, man.
Because the weather here is like
Too humid, no?
like, it's humid, but not that like how you can expect, like not the typical Tamil Nadu weather.
Yeah.
But it's actually pleasant, and I would say like yesterday it rained like
Whole night, dude.
the whole night, almost like probably 5 to 6 hours easy.
Easy, more than that.
Easily.
More than that.
And it was like raining cats and dogs.
And it's like not that humid comparatively
Yeah,
to
today-
yesterday.
yeah, it
So
was
it's
good.
peaceful.
So, but still,
We went to what? How was the breakfast, dude? Like the spread?
okay, today's spread. So I think we had like different varieties.
I'll tell you what all we had. We had bread, jam, butter. Uske baad idli, pongal, poha. What's that? Sevia. That's semia. And we had dosa, ghee pudi dosa, cheese dosa. We had omelette, masala omelette, cheese omelette. And then we had chicken sausage, we had boiled egg, and we had what else? Something else was there, no? Starter, yogurts, and then juice, muskmelon juice, strawberry milkshake, panakam. Oh, crazy! I think fruits though we belted. We had to hydrate ourselves.
Yeah.
So the chicken sausage, I loved it, and pastries also. Were they there? Did we eat? No, we didn't eat. I guess.
No. Pastries
Wasn't there? So it was a good spread overall.
Yeah.
So how was it? Like on 10, like comparative to all the spreads, I'm saying.
Like all the spreads, see, I like the kind of variety.
Variety.
And I like the live counter more because these guys were epic in dosa. That puri masala dosa was like the best.
The best.
And because I like spice, by the way.
By the way, cheese masala dosa also was awesome.
Yeah, it was good as well.
You know what? Usually when I have masala dosa, like I'm saying the aloo in that or masala, immediately I get some sort of a acid reflux, or I get acidity or gas.
Yeah.
But trust me, this time nothing like that ever happened, because, and also last night ka food which we had, lal mas and all, touchwood, amazing, absolutely zero gas, zero this thing, top notch, 5-star quality. This is superb, like impressive. So yeah, that's about it. But evening today we are having from another place, so just chilling. So yeah, so what plan for tomorrow? We're just going to 2 temples, right? 2 temples. One will be one is the ISKCON temple. One is Vinayaka temple, where there's an elephant, no?
Yeah, in Vinayaka temple.
So let's have fun with the elephant and ISKCON temple. Uske baad we'll probably have lunch outside, or we'll come back to the resort.
Yeah.
So tomorrow.
Let's have lunch outside, no? Tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll have a light lunch.
Light.
So that we come back, we jump in the pool.
Yeah, please.
And post the pool, we'll go towards the beach. Near the beach, they have this live chat counter. So we'll do that as well. I'll show it to you guys tomorrow. So I think that's about it, guys. So eat food and chill and sleep and get up tomorrow. Aram se go to the temple. Say namaskaras to all our boss that are gods there. That's about it, right?
Yep.
So let's get some rest and chill, Madi.
And let's call it a day.
So yeah, guys, I hope your Monday has gone really well. I think it's a Monday. It's a Monday, no? So yeah, Monday's gone well. So hopefully you liked the previous vlog about the friendship day. Anyways, perfect timing for us to bond and chill. Anyways, guys, take care, Madi. Enjoy, Madi. Whoever hasn't subscribed, please subscribe, Madi. Like, Madi. Share, Madi. Take care. See you. Good night, people. If it rains, I'll show you some.